Today we're exploring an abandoned Dyson factory near Sheffield. Today with Urbex and with Sean and exploring with Mike 744. And just behind me is the building.
They're just pointing straight down.
Yeah.
Go on, I'll get my intro.
Quite a big site. Let's go.
Well, if we stay here, Mike said that he walked down and went in the building.
Yeah. We're just looking at these ones here.
Yeah.
Because they got a double system on them. But if this plate ain't got no power, it can't have anything on it.
I don't think this place will have power, look.
No, the power's been ripped out. So all them ones that are wired to the buildings don't look like they've got no power at all. It's just the mobile ones. Jesus.
Definitely no power in here, but keep your eyes open for any...
What box?
In the door. So got the key. Yeah, there's a power in here. So yeah, there's definitely no power in here.
Yeah.
That's off. Okay. Bit of mould. Same as the other one.
I just said the noise then. It sounded like it came from up
They're
there.
all the same.
Yeah, there you go.
Rinse, repeat.
That's the other camera system out there, look.
Yeah.
Can it see inside of the building?
Can't they?
I don't know. So I'm saying, depending on how far out they can see. So they're obviously doing some work on it because you've got all the brick there as if they're
all brickwork.
clearing it out.
Kitchen, nothing in it.
Most of these are empty rooms.
Yeah. Kitchen. Yeah. It's a bit empty.
Cleaner's room. Empty.
Or anyone want some toilet roll? It's free.
How do we get to that one?
Yeah, look at this mirror.
Without the camera.
That's been tapped and a pretty clean mirror.
They're looking down into the yard again. If you look at the camera facing this way, it's looking down into these stones. It doesn't look like it reaches that corner. Depending on how wide it is.
Yeah.
See, it looks like it's getting cleared out.
It does. Well, they've probably cleared it out.
Wow, it's warm in here.
This is...
That looks new.
That does look new.
Well, the electric's gone on there as well. And these look new. These little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the reception.
Yeah. Now that camera's somewhere on down there. So I'm going to go that way. The old wiring's been ripped out, isn't it? That's nice looking, isn't it?
See, stuff like this works because of the layout.
No further this way.
Is it a dead end?
Dead end.
Dead end that way.
So it's upstairs. Lit up though, is it?
It's not flashing because wouldn't it
Well, a lot of cameras still.
wouldn't it have like that little circle there? Wouldn't that be lighting if it's recording?
Not always.
Oh. Well, if they turn up, we know why.
Well, some welding gloves there.
Well, Josh.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, we don't condone doing stuff like that really. No.
Oh, this floor looks squeaked a bit. See, these look fresh smash as well. Oh.
Was this a kitchen or a lab, do you reckon?
Don't. What? How much glass?
You've got like an extractor fan thing there.
Yeah, it'll be a kitchen.
Look at that there, that looks like one of them. You've got it, yeah.
There's some kind of kitchen because it's like you got two. You got that one and you got this one here.
Yeah.
Looking glass though.
Anyway, I'm gonna have to call it. John, I'm gonna have to call it. Feeling a bit sore.
Oh dear.
Feeling a bit sore. Right, so
Yeah.
you don't tell me any better.
They're like walking on this freaking glass though.
I've noticed. Oh, people have been in here with drugs. Yeah, you've got. Oh right, it's going around the back ways, going around under the tunnel there.
Yeah.
But it's like, hang on. I'm getting a bit sketched out. Josh, careful when you come past here. Try and get the camera. Look at that.
So we got him through the back way, and then camera's active, and then you got here, yellow wire running straight into there where they got food, drink and everything. So they've got power coming from somewhere. But there's no vehicles on site. No vehicles at the moment on site. But there is CCTV, and it looks like there is regular security, but currently there's nothing this early in the morning. Probably too early for them, it's Sunday and it's like 20 past 6 in the morning on a Sunday. All moving there. They've been doing work down here, as you can see. Access to the outside. Bricks, they've been doing work on it. Go further down there. But if you go any further on there, the camera's directly facing the window. So we'll leave that area. Find another way. So that camera facing down. Second one across. That one is facing right down into that window. The older buildings.
We're really at the back now.
Straight for the back door.
Shower area.
If it was an alarm, it'd carry on.
Yeah, but I don't know, because
It's weird.
Eating town area.
we do get some of that going beep, 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 beep.
That's pretty cool.
Beep, 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 beep.
That picture is pretty ace.
That's newish.
Yeah. Yeah, you still got spray cans in here as well.
Yeah.
In the generator room.
Yeah.
Points on the wall.
Keep closed.
Bathroom.
Oh God, it's warm in here.
Is it the bathroom?
Good, I haven't seen them for many years.
No, if we get going there, it's too warm.
Kitchen, dining.
Oh, can't go anywhere.
You can't
Literally can't go anywhere.
Oh yes.
Ran out of white, but it's okay. 25. See, that's this year.
Yeah.
2025. Like graffiti.
Right. I'm just staying away from them windows over there. The camera's been over there.
and the alarm.
Oh, good, that's a bit. That's something with the floor. We move slowly.
See what's in there. I don't think
The cameras, guys, are right down there.
No.
Oh, look at this, we've got quite a few chairs just chilling. That's before I split this coffee.
Silo. Could have gone up on the silos if they carried on up there.
Oh, sugar.
Turn off bottles after use.
So this
So it's like a party zone, this does.
it does. Main workshop area.
Yeah. I don't know, there you go. 1908 and 1994.
Oh, I think people had fun here. I found a new toy, everyone. And I bet it still freaking works. I found some fun. I need to get him camera set up.
I think it's the right focus, Yeah.
Not pointing, there's non-pointing right here.
Yeah, it's just.
And you wouldn't be able to see that from the drone.
See, we can see it, but you can't. But right there is a mobile CCTV.
Where the blue mark is, that's where it is.
Yeah,
It stands out the blue part.
it does.
Well, yeah, we go down there, that's going to be
That's going to get us.
flag.
So right down there. So we're going to shift and get into this one. I don't think we will do. Yeah, as you go down some steps, the camera's right there to your left hand side, Mike.
We're definitely on way in for them cameras.
Yeah, it's right there. You could go down steps and probably see it.
Yeah, they will. So I'm looking at the angle of it. There you go.
Oh, they're quite wide there.
Yeah.
Because obviously we were just round that corner, weren't we?
Yeah, we were on there. Yeah.
Yeah, they are facing down, so once you get to the bottom of them steps. Right, so we explored all the building.
Getting to the main.
Now we want to have a quick look at the security office, which is there, with the yellow wire coming out. You got cameras surrounding it, so we're going to be caught on camera straight away.
What we're going to do is
We're going to quickly do that before we head off to the next location. Yeah. I doubt with the new cameras on.
Let's see when these pick us up.
Yeah.
What am I first then?
I don't know, I'm just.
You're the brave one.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's why I'm at the back, I'm the chicken.
That is so down.
Yeah, you're the crazy Josh.
Fucking cars, man.
Yeah, I know.
There's nothing yet.
We're getting on it in like seconds.
You should be picking us up.
How close can Josh get?
How close can I get? Oh, of course, I would fucking.
If we're not on camera now, we should be.
That's locked.
Got the sign there, CCTV in operation.
Sure, there. December 2016.
There you go. You hear it?
Yeah.
We don't have time we've got.
And we're all on camera.
Certainly all on camera.
What's it say?
That one.
Oh, why is that one not working? What did it say?
Can we have a look?
I don't know what that's it.
Hello?
Yeah, so that one never went off. There's one just round the corner there. That
Yeah,
one
that triggered it. That one's not working.
That's
No.
not working.
No, because when it only went off when I literally got to that door, which is where that one's shining towards, so that's the distance.
Right. So that one can pick it. That one.
There's no one in that way anyway.
See, that's not even working. It was that one what triggered. Idiots, man. So your front one don't even freaking work. So that one there don't work. The one we got caught on is just on the other side of the arch.
That's got to be the shittest alarm I've ever heard. It was like a phone ringing, wasn't it?
We didn't even barely hear it. If you're deaf or don't hear that well.
Yeah, guys, there was that one that went off. Not this one.
That's literally not going off.
I had this one then.
Yeah.
There's a cable going to it. Yeah, I had this one then.
You're being monitored by live CCTV.
You're being watched by live CCTV. Yes?
I'm having a look, mate.
Not doing any harm.
You're watched by live CCTV is what they just said.
Yeah.
Follow me, Andy, then.
So is my house.
So it's everywhere. We live in a Big Brother state.
That one worked then.
Yeah, that one actually worked, but you had to get right next to it, but that one triggered first. They're not very great, them cameras.
Yeah.
I'm not as bothered by them anymore because they're not that good in distance. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As you heard, the cameras then, not very powerful, not very loud, but they still caught us saying, you're being watched by live CCTV. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the former Dyson factory near Sheffield, Urbexing with Sean, and exploring with Mike 744. We're just going down the trees. Link will be in the description below, and see you in the next one.